We haven't talked about the Fed. Yellen was in town a couple of days ago. She's been surpassed by Draghi, by Polos, and by Carney. There's a narrative out there, and it's probably a less hawkish narrative than the Fed is peddling. You say that's wrong, don't you? You say listen to the Fed.
Yes, I say listen to the Fed because they're not kidding. You know, they've hiked in December, they've hiked in March, they've hiked in June. They've established a pattern. And that pattern's been driven by the tightening of the US labour market. So unemployment's 4.3%. 4 months ago, it was 4.8, so it's dropping fast. Now, we've had a period of softness in some of the data, which I'm absolutely convinced will not persist. And my guess is that in the three payroll reports between now and the September FOMC, where the market thinks they won't do anything, we could see a real swing in sentiment, because I think those data are going to be much stronger.
At the end of your notes, you said the unwinding, when it comes, will prove painful, and it's likely to start very soon. Is that the market reaction?
Yeah.
Really? Is it? Do we get a taste of it this week? I mean, it was via Draghi, but
yes,
ironically, it wasn't via Yellen.
It was the other guy.
It was via the other guy, or guy.
But what he did...
Are we getting a taste of that now?
Absolutely. This is what happens. You know, market sentiment has become extremely fine-tuned. And so when you see a shift in the data that upsets the narrative that markets have become very comfortable with, you can see positions swinging very, very quickly. The market right now is looking for a 50-50 chance of the Fed raising rates once more, and after that, they're done. Now, the Fed has told us 1 more this year and 3 next year. So if markets begin to get a sniff of the idea that maybe the Fed's serious about this, and now actually the data are moving back to support that speed of action, then you have to unwind an expectation which is a long, long way short of what the Fed is promising. So I think this could be a very long, very hot and very volatile summer.